Ah, well, it doesn't matter. He never believed in the theater. He used to laugh at my dreams. And gradually, I stopped believing as well and lost heart. And then there were the stresses of love and jealousy and the constant anxieties about my little boy. I started acting badly. I couldn't work out what to do with my arms. I forgot how to stand on stage. I lost control of my voice. You have no idea what it's like to know that you're acting appallingly. I'm the seagull. It's not right. Do you remember when you shot a seagull? A man happens to walk by. He sees her, and for want of anything better to do, he destroys her. It's an idea for a short story. It's not right. It's not right. What was I saying? I was talking about acting. I'm not like that anymore. I'm a proper actress now. I love acting. I find being on stage intoxicating. It makes me feel beautiful.